Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a cute baby narwhal. So you can see that I'm using my thin black pen to draw a baby narwhal. Wow! Now I'm drawing its horn. Here's its eye. And now I'm drawing another wing of it. Let's start coloring. I'm using cyan pen. And I'm using my cyan pencil. And I'm using my pink pen. And I'm using my red pen. In its horn, I'm using my orange pen. I will fill the rest with my yellow pen. Now I'm using a little bit of cyan color. My drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.